What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super excited for this one. The restock is a little bit on the smaller side. We only are restocking about 100 slimes, but we do have more slimes in the shop as well, and we have some big deals going on. So starting off, all the slimes are going to be $11 in the shop, but between you and me, there are also slimes there for probably like $10 or $9 as well, so check that out. And we also have another deal on top of that. This one has no code needed. You buy one slime, get one slime for 30% off, and that is done automatically at checkout, so no coupon code needed. Now on to the ways that you could get a free slime this restock. We are giving away some free slimes to particular orders, if you know what I'm saying. So the first 3 orders are actually going to get a free Shane Dawson inspired slime. If you saw my last video, these slimes were inspired by Shane Dawson. He's coming out with his own slimes hopefully, and I just kind of wanted to, do a video inspired by that, and you all love this slime, so I'm giving away the 3 that I made to the first 3 orders. And the next 7 orders of the restock as well are going to get a free 4-ounce mystery slime, and then the 2 largest orders this restock are going to get a free mystery 32-ounce slime. So basically, on top of all the deals that we're having, also 12 orders this restock are going to get free slime. How insane is that? So let's go ahead and kick off the slime. We are starting off with Vampire Ice Cream. So this slime here is actually a remade version of a slime that I've already sold in my shop that you all seem to really like during the Halloween season. So I decided to bring it back and make it look a little bit more realistic. So it looks like a bloody sundae now. It looks really, really cool. It's actually scented like cherry Garcia ice cream, which is basically cherry ice cream with chocolate in it. And it's really nice. It's a combination of 2 different textures, a cloud cream and a jelly slime, and it mixes together to a beautiful sizzly and creamy texture. If you've been following my slime shop for a while, you definitely know this slime. This is Baja Blast, which is one of my best sellers in the shop. This is an amazing hybrid textured slime between a cloud dough and an icy slime. So it has a little bit of drizzle to it, but it's more of an icy, just super, super sizzly and amazing. And I love it so much. It's scented just like a Baja Blast that you would get from a Taco Bell. So if you're one that loves the Mountain Dew, Baja Blast is definitely going to be for you. Next up, we have a brand new texture to the shop. This one is called Creepy Girl, and it's super, super cute. It is actually a bingsu bead slime, so it's super crunchy and amazing. If you don't know what bingsu beads are, they are basically beads that we use in the slime community. They're almost made out of like a paper-like substance, or maybe even plastic, but it's basically like a small tube type of glitter, so it's really, really cool. It makes the slime super, super crunchy. Great for bubble pops. I just said great, oh my god. It's super good for bubble pops and just really crunchy. I love it so much. It's actually scented as well like monkey farts, and that is basically like mixed fruits, but I smell banana a lot more. So yeah, I really love this slime so much, and it will come with one of those ghost girl charms that you saw in the beginning. Slime Boneyard is a new DIY clay slime to the shop. This one was actually thought of by my mom, so she created this slime all on her own, and I really loved it. It comes out so well. So it starts off with this clay slime base scented like toasted marshmallow, which is one of my favorite scents ever. I love it so much. It's very sweet, yet also kind of smoky at the same time. I can't really describe it, but it smells really good. And it comes with 2 clay pieces. They're going to be random, so whatever part of the skeleton you will get, and then also 2 bone charms in there as well, and you get to mix it in yourself. The ending color is kind of like a light gray color, but it's not really noticeable unless you like put it next to something white, if that makes sense. I really like that about this slime. It's very simple, yet is a fun DIY clay aspect, and you get it for $11 this restock. That's amazing. And last but most certainly not least, we have Chanel No. 2, which is my #1 bestseller in the shop. She is a thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. If you don't know the difference between a regular bubblegum scent and a bubblicious bubblegum scent, it's basically in the name. It smells like you open a fresh pack of bubblicious bubblegum, and it is so juicy smelling and just delicious. I love it so much. It's super thick and glossy, and it's just my baby. #1 bestseller, so snatch it. We also have a couple of these Witch's Brew slimes in the shop as well. Y'all kind of slept on this slime, low-key, not gonna lie, but now's your chance to get it for $11, or you can even get it for cheaper if you buy 2 slimes, just saying, because of that 30% off discount. This one is scented like green apple Jolly Ranchers, and it's a jelly slime with a bunch of witch-themed add-ins, and it's just really cute. And yet again, another slept on slime from last restock. This one is Dragon Fruit Princess. It's scented like dragon fruit, and it's a hybrid textured slime between a snow fizz and an icy slime. So it's very soft and sizzly, yet crunchy at the same time. It's amazing. It's super pretty on the eyes as well, and I just think it's really cute. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Don't forget that the video does go live an hour before the shop opens. The shop opens at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so if you need to convert your time zone, make sure you do that so you are early and not late. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!